Hey, so today's video I'm going to be making a Makey operation game for my grade 4-5 classroom who are studying human body systems right now. So hopefully I'm going to create this game and then do some programming and coding to include the language and some of the outcomes. So when they play the game, or they'll be learning, and also when they make the game, they'll be learning. Make this learning really sticky. Alright, so I'm going to speed this video up because it's going to take a long time. Okay, so I have my shape. Please don't make fun of my drawing. And I've decided on some body parts that I'm going to cut out here. So we have brain, humerus, heart, lungs, liver, bowels, bladder, femur, and then we have Okay, so I've cut out all of my organs that I want to focus on, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these as the bottom insulator part of the hole. So we see here, I'll sit it on the bottom, and that's where my piece will sit that I create afterwards. And on the edges, I'm going to use tinfoil, and that's what I'll connect my alligator clips to. Okay, so here's my finished guy. I realized I should have done less holes as a demo because that was a lot of work. Here's the back of it here. See, I've just taken the cutouts and surrounded them in tinfoil, and then they are recessed in there. So I'm going to make some parts to go in there now. Okay, so my Makey is plugged into my computer and plugged into my operation game. My pieces are in there and they're not touching the sides. So maybe that one is. I can adjust that. And my Scratch program is all loaded up. So let's see how this works here. Okay, so in order for anything to be signaled, I need to be touching home ground. So I'll instead of connecting to the tweezers, I've just want to complete the circuit like this, because then the tweezers are not connected to anything. So I'm going to touch here, and I'm going to try and take out the humerus. Success. All right, I got it. Now I'm going to try and take out the heart here and see what happens if I make a mistake.
Whoa, be careful. The heart is responsible for pumping blood to all of the other parts of the body.
Alright, so I messed up. Let's see if we try and take out the lungs. Oh, it's kind of...
Oh, be careful. You don't want to damage the lungs. They're important.
Alright, well, let's try the humerus here.
Whoa! The femur is the largest bone in the body. Be careful.
Alright, yeah, so obviously you can make the bones look a little bit better than my thing, and you can really take this anywhere you want to go. But this is a really good start. I'm thinking that the kids will really enjoy this, and this project could be really good. Makes that learning really sticky about all of the body systems when they actually get to create them. Thanks.